we got a call of a stolen police vehicle in La Mesa, and we're gonna go ahead and go code 3 straight to that because it is a stolen police vehicle. We cannot have a police vehicle stolen like that. That is not good, especially to be on the streets in the public.
I'm high as I've ever been, higher than heaven sits. Roll up my weed and think about my exes and jealousness, how to stay current and relevant.
So we'll go ahead and hold code 3 to that. Let's see what's up. Should be right here on our left. Alright, they're gonna go ahead and go left again up here, or right for them. Looks like they're going fast. I don't really know what police car they're in. I just know it's a stolen police vehicle. Alright, they are in the same one I'm in. Okay.
We have a criminal resisting arrest in Cypress Flats.
Alright. They turn their lights on, so that is not a good thing because other people can mistake them for a police officer. And we do not want that to happen. Alright, we're going to go ahead and call for one unit of backup, probably just air support at the moment. So we can just
We've
stay
got units
on
requesting
track.
air support over El Barrel Heights.
Because apparently this car is a lot faster than mine, I will say that right now at the moment. Alright. Oh, he just took out a pole. Oh, Jesus. Oh, 1050 into a pole. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and request for a pit here. Oh. Maybe we can get him here. Oh. We got one out. Oh no.
Assistance required in Mirror Park. Respond code 3.
Hopefully they can get that one. I'm gonna go ahead and spin around and get her. Yeah, they got her. Alright. Go ahead and stop her right here. Cut her off. For mine, she's gonna turn around and head back that way. I'm gonna go ahead and pull on a. Oh, she's on the ground. Stop. Don't move. On the ground now. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get her in cuffs. On the ground, lady. On the ground. Down. Alright. Go ahead and cuff her and call a transport for her. And then we'll go ahead and...
Attention, this is dispatch. We are code 4. No further units required.
We're gonna go ahead and pull her car around after she gets picked up, and
Greetings.
so we got 2 people getting there? I don't know.
Stupid.
Nah, that guy's just walking.
Attention Unit 1, Lincoln 18.
Alright, we're gonna pull
we
her
have
car.
a robbery
Never mind, this is
in
gone. They
Textile
already took
City.
care of it. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and call this code 4 and head out of here, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that little
This is Adam 5. Copy that. We'll keep an eye out.